So until 10-15 years ago, you only had analog printing methods, which means that you needed to create a printing plate. So you had like cost in the beginning in order to make that plate, and you always could print the same design, be it 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 pieces. So now with the digital technologies, every print can be different and you don't have the setup cost in the beginning. And from our perspective, we offer two main product areas: the direct-to-garment printing systems, which means inkjetting, high-quality pictures, photorealistic quality pictures on a ready-made garment. And we have a roll-to-roll system, which is called the Allegro, which allows you to print directly on a fabric, very minimal pre-treatment, very minimal post-treatment, all included in one line, which is perfect for e-commerce business models. So I'm happy to say that a few market trends are really playing into our cards. We see a demand in the market for shorter runs, more individualization, more colors, higher print quality, and this is really our main focus, where we feel well. Industrial mass customization, printing huge quantities of shirts and garments, but providing every individual user an individual product. The B2C market for our users is probably more interesting, because in the B2C market you can charge higher prices essentially and make higher margins. B2B market is also very beneficial, but you need to produce higher quantities in order to make it worthwhile. Well, the trends are going to continue. I mean, we are just in a single-digit percentage of textiles that are being printed digitally. So we are starting at a very small penetration rate, and I think in the next 10-20 years we can go up from the 5-6% that we have today up to a 15-20% penetration rate of digital prints. So the market potential is endless, and there are a number of new and exciting online business models like crowdfunding, online design marketplaces, special collections. Any kind of print run where the quantity is between 1 and 250, we feel very well positioned. The biggest potential is that nowadays, really, as a designer, you can simply focus on designing your garment, designing your fabric. You do not really need to wait for people to order minimum quantities. That's the beauty of the crowdfunding projects. To make it really short, nowadays you can focus on printing what you already sold rather than selling what you already printed.